Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's end-of-day world currencies, stock markets and commodities wrap-up for Thursday, July 3rd, 2025. Kicking things off, I'm Victoria Cashmore. Key currency pairs showed mixed movements today. The greenback strengthened modestly against most major currencies. Notable was a 0.89% gain against the yen, while maintaining flat trading patterns against several other currencies. Year-to-date performance shows significant weakness in the US dollar, most notably an 11.9% decline against the euro and a 12.4% fall versus the Swiss franc, highlighting a broader downward trend in dollar strength. The dollar broke upward against both the offshore yuan and Singapore dollar after several days of flat trading. Meanwhile, it continued its decline against the Indian rupee, marking 3 consecutive days of losses. Weekly performance metrics reveal the US dollar's greatest weakness against the Canadian dollar, down 0.75%. The currency showed relative resilience against the offshore yuan, though maintaining its broader negative trend.
Looking at global stock market tracking ETFs, I'm Max Profit. Poland and Israel led global markets, both gaining 1.9%. Both reached new all-time highs, with Israel marking its second consecutive record close. Brazil showed strong upward volatility, while Taiwan achieved its second straight all-time high. Year-to-date returns show Poland leading with a remarkable 57.3% gain. Brazil and Israel have also posted strong returns of 30.2% and 25.8% respectively. Thailand stands out with the strongest month-to-date average daily return at 1.2%. Among declining markets, New Zealand led losses, dropping 0.66%, while Switzerland fell 0.65%. China declined for a second consecutive day. Despite today's declines, most of these markets maintain strong positive trends, with Belgium showing flat price movement over the past 3 days. Despite today's declines, year-to-date performance remains positive across these markets. Belgium has gained 20.8%, France is up 20.1%, and Switzerland has advanced 19.5%. New Zealand shows the most modest gain at 1.7% year-to-date.
Considering commodities, I'm Liquidity. Gold futures declined 16.80 to 3,342.90, while silver futures rose 0.36 to 37.8, marking its third consecutive up day with strong upward volatility. Copper futures and aluminum futures showed modest declines, with aluminum displaying sideways movement. Year-to-date returns show impressive gains across metals futures. Copper leads with a 27.7% return, followed by silver at 26.8% and gold at 26.6%. Palladium has matched gold's performance despite today's 1.6% decline. In energy futures, Brent crude and crude oil futures both saw minor declines. Natural gas dropped 2.2% to 3.41. Heating oil fell 1.7% to 2.37, despite maintaining a strong positive trend. Week-to-date returns in energy show heating oil leading with a 5.8% gain. Natural gas has struggled, down 6.9%. Brent and crude oil futures both recorded gains around 3% for the week. In livestock futures, Class IIe milk surged 9.2%, while corn jumped 4.5%. Live cattle and feeder cattle both posted modest gains, maintaining very strong positive trends. Lean hogs declined 1.5%. Year-to-date performance shows lean hogs leading with a 32.8% gain, while feeder cattle is up 17.7%. Class 2I milk and corn are both down around 6% for the year. In grains, oat futures extended their winning streak to 7 consecutive days. Soybean futures rose for a 4th straight session. Wheat declined 1.1%, while rough rice remained unchanged with downward volatility. Year-to-date returns in grains show oats leading with a 15.6% gain. Soybeans are up 3.8%, while corn, wheat, and rough rice are all down between 4% and 8%. Soft commodities showed mixed performance today. Orange juice led gains, rising 7% to 221.95, while sugar added 5% to 16.37. Coffee futures extended its decline, falling for the 5th consecutive day to 287.85. Cocoa showed significant weakness, dropping 1.6% to 8,090. Year-to-date returns reveal significant market shifts. Orange juice has experienced the steepest decline, down 54.7%. Cocoa has fallen 30.7%, while sugar shows a 15% decrease. Cotton remains relatively stable with minimal year-to-date change.
And with that, we conclude another end-of-day world currency, markets and commodities wrap-up. I'm Victoria Cashmore, along with my AI co-hosts Max Profit and Lou Quidity. Thanks for watching. Look for daily wrap-ups every day just after 5 p.m. New York time. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports, written, narrated and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency and commodities. Thanks for watching.